Evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313. This is box break number 468. It's box 4 out of 12. It's case number 2. Serial number for the boxes here. We'll come back to that. It's Friday the 25th. Checking out the time, you can see here, the 25th, 11:08. Going to go through the eBay usernames, then come back to the serial number. Looking for another big box tonight. Last one was a pretty nice one, so looking forward to another big one tonight. I'm going to go through the eBay usernames right now. Pittsburgh Penguins go to AL26808. The Sabres, the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Hawks, the Oilers, the Senators, and the Leafs go to Alcar828. The Panthers go to Ampone. The Bruins go to Go Sens Go 81. The Avalanche, the Devils, and the Islanders go to Hockey MC3. The Coyotes, the Sharks, the Blues, the Lightning, and the Knights go to Mistab 29. The Stars go to MS Burkow. The Kings and the Canucks go to New Flizar. The Caps go to Score 7729. The Predators and the Rangers go to Psy 344. The Flyers go to Shazam 58. The Wild go to Scoops 99. The Canadians go to Simonev 30. The Ducks go to Trace Van 72. The Jackets, the Wings, and the Jets go to Wilev 37. Go back up here. I'm going to switch over to the video cam in a second. It's serial number 5988. Ending 5988. Thanks again, everybody, for joining, participating. It is hoping to be a big box tonight, as the last one was. Excuse me. Still looking forward to a big one tonight. All right, let's get started. And let's open some cards. Oh, starting off with a nice UD canvas for your Buffalo Sabres, Victor Olofsson. Nice. Young gun for your Bruins, Jack Aken for your Bruins. There we go. UD canvas, or excuse me, UD portrait for your Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. UD canvas For your Calgary Flames, Jacob Markstrom. Electromagnetic for your Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. UD Portrait, Rasmus Dahlin for your Buffalo Sabres. Hundred percent, Alex Pietrangelo for your Vegas. 100%, 100%, the other. Yeah, that's a French variant. There you go. Jack Hughes. That's a pretty nice card. If you can see that up there, that is a French variant for your New Jersey Devils. Show you the back. Electromagnetic, Mr. Leon Draisaitl for your Edmonton Oilers. UD Canvas for your Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. UD Canvas for your Minnesota Wild, Matt Dumba. For your New York Rangers, Tarmo Renonanov. UD Canvas, Braden Point for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Young Guns, Wyatt Kalanchuk for your Chicago Blackhawks. Honor roll for your Canucks, Quinn Hughes. UD Canvas, Duncan Keith for your Chicago Blackhawks. French variant on a Young Gun for your Colorado Avalanche, Kyle Burroughs, and that's a French variant Young Gun. Young Gun for your Buffalo Sabres, Matthias Samuelsson. Twice in the same pack, Young Guns, non-French variant, Kyle Burroughs for your Colorado Avalanche. UD Canvas, Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Young Guns, Buffalo Sabres, Arttu Rustalainen. Oh, this is a nice card. That is a clear cut Clear picks, number 1, 2008 number 1 pick, Steven Stamkos. Very nice card to pick up for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Awesome card. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. That's a nice card. Rookie retrospective, Vitek Vanacek for your Washington Capitals. And last pack. Thanks again, everyone, for joining. Glad to see we got a big card out of the box there, right at the end. Finishing it off with honor roll, Quinton Byfield for your LA Kings. Going to just skip back just to check the time. That's LA's last pick. Who had LA? Checking the time here, 11:25. LA new files are. Thanks everyone for joining. Have a good night.